Hello, this is Dr. Hobble, and I'm going to help you with this problem where we're finding 50% of a lot of different quantities, getting more comfortable with benchmark percentages. So the first question says, how much is 50% of 10 gallons of milk? So first, let's think about the relationship between 50% and 100%. So how many groups of 50% are in 100%? Well, that's a division problem because we're asking if we take 100%, we break it into a certain number of groups where each one has 50%. We're trying to find out how many groups there are. That's a division problem because really we're asking 50 times what equals 100. So 100%, 100 divided by 50 equals 2. So there are two equal groups of 50% and 100%. So what if we take 10 gallons of milk and we break that into two equal groups? So 10 gallons of milk put into two equal groups. How much is in each group? If we take 10 gallons and we break that into two equal groups, what's 10 divided by 2? That's 5. So we have 5 gallons in each group. So this is actually a kind of long way of saying that 50% of something is really just half of something. Because if we have two groups of 50% and 100%, that's the same as saying that 50% is half of 100%. So anytime you're finding 50% of something, you can just take half. So we're actually going to use that perspective to think about these other problems. So 50% of 10 gallons of milk, that would be 5 gallons of milk. The next one says, how far is 50% of a 2,000 kilometer trip? So what is half of 2,000 kilometers? That's 1,000 kilometers. Because half of 2 is 1. Just like half of 200 is 100, half of 2,000 is 1,000. So half of 2,000 kilometers, 50% of 2,000 kilometers, that would be 1,000 kilometers. So on this next one, again, 50%, that's half of 100%. So when we say how long is 50% of a 24-hour day, what we're really asking is what is half of a 24-hour day? So what's 24 divided by 2? That's 12. So 12 hours is 50% of a 24-hour day. So how long is 50% of a 24-hour day? 12 hours. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.